All right, well, welcome to MEC 110 Intro to CAD CAM. Today on Friday, we started a new class and we went over some things, and I wanted to give you this recap available to you. I'm going to try and keep them less than 5 minutes every week. First, we laid the groundwork for the class. I told you about the syllabus and the format. The format of the class is going to be about 160 minutes of time in the shop and in the classroom working on CAD CAM, and there'll be 20 minutes of break time. Your grade was explained to you in that 55% of your grade will be academic stuff, 35% of your grade will be the two projects we're planning on, and 10% of your grade will be employability, which is attendance and participation according to basic industry standards. All right, so the syllabus also showed us a course schedule at the end. I invite you to please look at that course schedule here on Blackboard. The syllabus is freely available. That way you can plan your time and strategize how you can get the most out of this course while you're with us. Okay, so that's the syllabus and the format and the groundwork. Then I handed out a paper called the Mastercam process, and I explained the difference between a project and a process. I told you that a project has 5 life cycles, a beginning, middle, and an end, but we initiate where we figure out what we know and we don't know. Then we do a very thorough plan, trying to think of everything before we execute our plan. While we're executing our plan, we measure and control the sizes and the results of our part making. And then last, we close the project by writing a paragraph on the lessons learned, good and bad. All right, then I handed out a CAD assessment, 2 pretty simple parts that we could make on the mill. Everybody did very well on that. You may want to brush up your skills for the things that you saw to be weak. I showed everybody how I would have drawn and made those solid models, and how we can use circular patterns, how we can use mirroring to cut down on the drawing work, and then also how to make sure you know where the origin is and keep the origin in the right place. And the fact that in SolidWorks we want to draw Z-axis normal to the front view, not the top view like it's supposed to be, and it is in Mastercam, but in SolidWorks we want to draw normal to the front view for mill parts. All right, the last thing I was not able to get to, and that was going to be a demonstration of the milling machine, the CNC mill. Just to manually move it around, show you how you turn it on and everything else. We'll do that next week. See you next Friday.